are you doing? Comment oye?
How you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
Pretty good. Très bien. Pretty bad. Très mal.
Anyway, how are you?
I'm pretty good.
Yeah, they do seem to feel pretty bad.
So bad.
So bad.
So bad.
It's nice to see you. Moi que t'en well.
Senator Lipton, welcome. Angela,
Dwight?
nice to see you.
It was nice to see you.
You think so? Ou pensez ça?
Mona. Wow, what a beautiful name.
You think so?
Not even close. Li pas même proche. Li loin toujours.
So like a disco cafe.
What? No. No, not even close.
Not even close.
What are you gonna do? Qui ça ou pral fait?
So what are you gonna do?
Oh no. Are all the machines taken? What are you gonna do?
I get it. M'comprenne. M'saisi ça.
Oh, I get it.
Your arch enemy.
Yes, the Dr. Doom to my Mr. Fantastic. The Dr. Octopus to my Spider-Man. The Dr. Savannah to my Captain Marvel.
Okay, I get it.
Get to the point. Parlez direct. Dis essentiel.
Get to the point.
Our caramel-colored bodies were entwined like erotic taffy.
Get to the point!
The bottom line is. Ça qui s'attend, c'est.
Okay, the bottom line is... things are gonna get better.
How long is this gonna take? Combien de temps ça prend le prend?
How long is this gonna take?
There you go. Mais li, au pareil. Voilà.
What do? I don't want to hurt his feelings.
Maybe the problem is he thinks you're available. Does he know you're dating Sheldon?
I guess it hasn't come up.
There you go.
There you go.
I don't think so. Moi pas penser ça.
I don't think so.
I don't mind. Ça pas déranger.
You know what? I don't mind.
I'll take care of it. M'pral gérer ça.
Someone needs to come talk to him. Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
What is that supposed to mean? Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire?
Look, of all people, you do not want me to tell this story.
What is that supposed to mean?
What's that supposed to mean?
Where were we? Côté nous t'ayé. Qui ça nous t'a dit?
Okay, where were we?
Where were we?
No way. C'est pas possible.
$33.50 apiece.
No, no way. Sorry, not gonna happen.
Whoa, prom night flashback.
What took you so long? Qui ça qui te prend autant comme ça?
What took you so long?
Thanks for helping. Merci pour aide.
Thanks for helping me, man. Thanks for helping with this.
What difference does it make? Qui différence li fait?
What difference does it make?
Not really. Pas vraiment.
You like magic?
Not really.
You want to hear an interesting thing about tomatoes?
No, not really.
Take your time. Prends ton haut.
I think we should talk about this.
Oh yeah, definitely. You guys should talk, yeah.
Take your time.
Sorry to bother you. Désolé parce que me déranger.
You think I'm Nathan Fillion? But I'm not. So if you don't mind, I would just love to eat my lunch.
Sorry to bother you.
Not at all. Pas du tout.
I mean, are you still in that place?
No, not at all.
It was amazing. C'était incroyable.
It was amazing.
Hey, thanks again for showing me your semi-precious stone collection. It was amazing.
My God, you must be good in bed.